Alright, in this problem we have a falcon that has a mass of 1.8 kilograms, and it catches a dove that has a mass of 0.65 kilograms from behind in midair. So, I can't draw birds. So this is a falcon, and this is going to be my dove. What is their velocity after impact if the falcon's initial velocity is 2.8 meters per second and the dove's is 7 meters per second in the same direction? So both of these are moving in the positive direction together. So I have the mass of the falcon is 1.8 kilograms, and the initial velocity of the falcon is 28 meters per second. I have the mass of the dove is going to be 0.65 kilograms, and the initial velocity of the dove is 7 meters per second, and I want to find their final velocity. So this is technically also a collision problem, which means I'm going to need to use my conservation of momentum. So the total initial momentum of the system has to be equal to the total final momentum of the system. And if we recall, momentum is equal to mass times velocity. So I have the initial momentum of the falcon plus the initial momentum of the dove, and this will also result in a combined final momentum because the falcon is going to catch the dove, so they're going to end up moving together. So I have the mass of the falcon times the initial velocity of the falcon plus the mass of the dove times the initial velocity of the dove, and this will have a combined mass of the falcon and the dove, because they'll be moving together, with one final velocity. So this is the final velocity is equal to the mass of the falcon times the initial velocity of the falcon plus the mass of the dove times the initial velocity of the dove divided by their combined mass. So now I'm just going to plug in the numbers, and I get 1.8 times 28 plus 0.65 times 7 divided by their combined mass. And my final velocity is going to be 22.4 meters per second in the positive direction, because since they're both moving forward, whenever the falcon grabs the dove, they're still going to be moving in the positive direction.